Hello, this video is about Lycia styling and customization. jQuery implementation of Lycia frontend contains only basic styling, which make it look quite simple. However, Lycia is designed so that developer can apply custom styles, scripts and Lycia themes to application. Lycia has special set of free styles and scripts called Ocean Public Theme, which is available at GitLab. And for GL developers can use it to prettify their applications. Let's compare difference between basic styling and ocean styling. As you can see, with the ocean styling we have changed fonts, colors and some other styles. Also we have logo added at top left corner and ability of sidebar to slide in, slide out. Ocean theme consists of CSS files, icons and images, JavaScript files and Lycia theme files. To apply these resources to applications, they have to be added to the application. Now let's apply custom CSS styles to our application. I've created simple MDI container application which has simple menu and only one label. As you can see, there is just basic jQuery styling. Now let's create our custom CSS file. And put some styles for the label. We have just created our CSS file and now we have to add it to our application. We have to make our application to know that there is some external resource we have to apply. Let's recompile application and check it. As you can see, these styles were applied to our label. The same method works with Lycia theme files. We just have to, instead of this function, we just have to use apply theme functions with the name of our theme file. The difference, actually, that with this function we don't have to use the extension. In fact, this way to add CSS and theme resources to the application is relatively complex, and developers should use this method in the special circumstances. In general, it's possible to use much simple way. Let's delete our file and create another one. This file will have the same name as the name of our application. Now let's put our new styles here. We have just created file with the same name as application name and add nothing to our FOJL. Such files as CSS and Querix theme will be added to the application automatically at runtime. Let's rebuild our applications and check what we have. As you can see, we have restyled our application with new styles using default CSS file, which has the same name as the name of our application. Now let's create multiple CSS files and apply them to application using our default application CSS. We have our new CSS files, and let's add them to our default file. As you can see, we have changed our styling, again having multiple CSS resources. The same method works with Lycia theme files. You can include multiple themes into default application theme. Actually, Ocean theme designed just in this way. I will show you this with how it works in Can-Do application. Let's review CSS file. As you can see, we have main CSS file of the Ocean theme here, and another one CSS file, and more styles in default Can-Do application CSS file. Theme works in the same way. We have multiple theme, including main Ocean theme file here. JavaScript files are loaded by the 4GL application in the way similar to CSS files. Just instead of style import, developer should specify a script import function. These files, these two JavaScript files, are also part of the Ocean theme. To wrap up Lycia styling and customization, developers can add CSS, theme, and JavaScript files to applications using 4GL functions. UI interface front call function to import style, the same function to import JavaScript, and apply theme function to apply theme to the application. Also, Lycia has a concept of default CSS and default theme file. These files are files which have the same name as 4GL application and CSS and Querix theme extension respectively. Can-Do application adds resources from public Ocean theme to CSS file, to Querix theme file, and using UI interface front call adds JavaScript files. Result can be seen here. That's all for today, thanks.